Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. It is time, guys, for the 3-day sale at Kroger. Today, as I'm making this video, it is April the 25th. It is Saturday, the first day of this 3-day sale, and we'll go through the 27th of 2026. So it ends on Monday. Of course, I've got a bunch of deals I want to bring to you, but I also have some bonus 5-time digital coupon matchups for you that you don't want to miss out on. So make sure you watch the whole movie, the whole thing. It's not a movie, but watch the whole thing. All right, before we get into this, do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, hit all so you don't miss any of the videos that I post on an almost daily basis, and let's jump on into this. All right, I'm still kind of laughing at myself for calling this a movie. It's not a movie, but although it is, as exciting as a movie, right? Probably not. All right, so let's talk about this 3-day sale that's going on. There's quite a few items that are participating in this. Now, the cool thing about this 3-day sale is it's just a sale price, and you don't have to load any kind of digital coupons or anything like that. So it makes it extra exciting. So the very first item that we have up in this 3-day sale is the St. Louis style pork ribs. Now, I'm not positive of the regular price, but they're usually around $14 when you get the full slab. I'm not sure how many pounds that is, to be honest with you. It seems like quite a few, but now it's going to be $2.49 per pound for this 3-day sale, which is going to equal out to be between like $8.59 per slab of ribs there. So a much, much better price there. And I think I need to go get these because my family loves ribs. And with that price, we're going to have to grab them. All right, the next item that we have as part of the 3-day sale is going to be the Dole salad kits. Now, just the last time we had a 3-day sale, we got the Taylor Farm salad kit. So there's the question, which one's better, the Dole or the Taylor Farms? If you get both, let me know in the comments which one you prefer. Anyway, these salad kits are regularly priced at $4.59. They're on sale for $3.67, but this weekend only, they're going to be $2.99. I should say this 3-day sale because Monday is also included here. They're going to be $2.99 each. And let me know your favorite flavor here. Do you like the Caesar salad? There's the sunflower crunch salad. I'm sure there's some other ones. There's got to be something with bacon in it. The picture there is the sesame Asian. So let me know in the comments your favorite salad kit. All right, so the next item that we have is going to be, oh, by the way, forget about that. If you are a Boost member, make sure you have this 10% on produce loaded. I totally forgot that my dad was a Boost member and I loaded this onto his account. And I did use his account to purchase a couple things yesterday. And I had produce on there and the 10% came off and I was so excited about that. So yes, make sure you load this digital coupon if you are a Boost member and save an extra 10%. So whatever $2.99 times 0.9 equals out to be would be the cost of the kit. It's not going to be that big of a savings, but it's worth something, right? All right, the next item that we do have is going to be the Big K 12-pack of cans. Now, if you are not brand specific, then this is a really sweet deal. For a 12-pack, these are regularly priced at $4.99. There's like a 3 for 12 going on right now or something like that. Anyways, $4.33. I can't remember. I saw the offer, but I don't remember exactly what it was. The 3 for 12 doesn't seem right because it's $4.33. Maybe it was for 13 or something like that. Anyway, $2.99 is what you're going to pay, which is a really nice price point there for a 12-pack of soda. So do make sure that you grab that. And then the next item that we have is the Brawny paper towels. Now, these are 2 rolls. I think it's triple rolls. So they're real thick paper towels. They should last a while. They're regularly priced at $8.99. Crazy. $7.49 is the sale price that we have this current week, but we can grab them for $4.99 each with that with just the sale. Again, no need to load any digital coupon, which is kind of crazy. It feels like you do need to load something or do something, but nope, you can just go to the store, pick it up and put it in your cart and you're going to pay $4.99. And finally, the last item that we have for this 3-day sale is the Kroger coffee. Now, the Kroger ground coffee, like in the big cans, are regularly priced now at $14.49. Yes, we did have a price point of them being about $9.99 regular price. I think they were even cheaper than that just a while while ago, they're now going to be, super expensive. So $9.99 is a pretty decent price for this. If you do need coffee, I highly recommend stock up on this weekend and get them for this price. Again, it makes me kind of sad because even just a couple months ago, we were getting these on Weekly Digital for like $7.99, $8.99, and now we keep going up. So unfortunately, I don't see an end in the price continuing to go up. So there you go. All right, so that ends our 3-day sale. But hey, guess what? We have some bonus deals. All right, so just a quick reminder for those of you that are new to Kroger or new to couponing or whatever the case might be, we have digital coupons. They're called 5-time digital coupons because you can use them up to 5 times in each transaction. But there is an unlimited amount of transactions that you can do for the entire 3-week sale. Now, we are currently in the middle, smack dab in the middle of the second week. Of course, we'll have one more week to go, so all of these deals should still be available for quite a while. I had quite a few Ibotta rebates that I guess popped up sometime either yesterday or overnight that we have matchups for. And I wanted to make sure you knew about these. As many of you are heading to the store for the 3-day sale, you might as well grab some extra items that you might need or want. So let me show you what we've got matched up with this. And by the way, these are store coupons. So we compare them with manufacturer coupons and we compare them with the rebate apps. And like if you need Ibotta or Fetch or any of the rebate apps that I talk about, go to the description box below, sign up today using my referral code. It does help me to keep making these videos for you, but also gives you some sort of extra savings when you submit that first receipt. It just depends on the rebate app. Okay, we're going to jump into this. So let's go. All right, so the first deal we have here is the hamburger helper. These are regularly priced at $1.99. Now there's a 50 cent off 5-time digital coupon, so you're going to pay out of pocket $1.49. And then on top of that, we do have a brand new rebate from Ibotta for 25 cents back on one. And this is actually a limit of 5 times. So the final cost ends up costing you $1.24 per box, so not a bad little deal there. These make quick and easy dinners, and yeah, there you go. So 25 cents back. I know that's not a lot of money, but when you continually stack the deals, it ends up making them pretty super cheap. All right, next deal we have, and I do know some people that watch my channel that really like the perfect bars. I think I've had one time. They weren't my favorite, but everybody's different, right? So these particular bars are actually found in the refrigerated section. Check your store to see where they're at exactly, but I will tell you mine are around the yogurts, and they've always been on the very top shelf, so they're very easy to miss. So keep an eye out for them if that's what you're looking for. But the perfect bars are regularly priced at $3.29, and that's for an individual bar, which is a lot of money. They're on sale for $2.50 each. We have a 50 cent off 5-time digital coupon, so we'll pay $2 per bar. But this is where it gets sweet. We just got a brand new Ibotta rebate for $1 back on one, and it's a limit of 5 times. So now these bars went from like $3.30 down to just $1 each. Much, much, much more reasonable price. And again, you can grab up to 5 of them and get all $5 back from Ibotta, which makes them all $1 each. And the cool thing is, if this is a bar that you really like to eat, grab 5 of them and then wait for the Ibotta to reload, and then go do it again, whatever the case might be. All right, next deal we have is on the Silk Soy Milk. This is a 96-ounce bottle of milk. These are regularly priced at $6.49. Now, we do have $1 off 5-time digital coupon, so that's going to bring your out-of-pocket down to $5.49 each. Well, we just got a brand new Ibotta rebate for the soy milk for $1.25 back on one. It is a limit of 5 times. I don't know that you'd want to buy 5 of these and they'd all stay good in your fridge, but I mean, maybe if you have a large family or if you drink a lot of soy milk, you may want to grab more. But anyway, the final cost ends up being $4.24 per bottle there. So there you go. Nice little savings there between the 5-time digital and the Ibotta rebate. All right, the next deal we have is a great stacking deal. It's the Purina Busy Bone. These are regularly priced $10.99. We have $1.50 off 5-time digital coupon and $1 off 1 manufacturer digital coupon. Remember, the 5-time is a store and the other one is a manufacturer, so they both should come off. You just have both of them clipped, and you'll pay $8.49 out of pocket. And by the way, that's the best way to do the store and manufacturer coupons together, because you don't have to try to convince some cashier that they both work. Some cashiers don't question it. They scan it. And if it works, they just move on. And some cashiers, have to be like checking it all out. So it just depends on your cashier, your store, whatever the case might be. I will say if your store is used to a lot of fraud with coupons, they're going to be a lot more cautious of what they take. So there you go. Then we have an Ibotta rebate to pair with this. We have 50 cents back on one. It's a limit of 5 times. So the final cost ends up costing you $7.99. Again, with $11 price point down to an $8 price point. Not a bad deal. Good bit of savings for you or for the pup, right? All right, so that's the end of this video. Like I said, it's the weekend. I was only going to make just a quick little video on the 3-day sale, and I happened to scan Ibotta and saw a whole bunch of new deals. And I was like, I could wait till Monday to share those with you, or I could just share them today and give you some bonus deals, especially if you're going to be heading to the store anyway to grab the 3-day sale. Now, don't forget, over the last few days, Wednesday, we had 2 videos come out. Go check out that video, or both of those videos. Thursday, we had a video come out, and Friday, we had a video come out. So I've had a lot of deals for you to process and get together. I highly recommend you go check out all of those videos. I'll link some of them at the very end of this video, but again, just keep watching each video till they're done, and that way you're able to benefit from all of the savings that you can get when you go Kroger shopping. Funny story, yesterday I went grocery shopping. It was 4 times the fuel point, so I got my big haul, and before everything came off, I was like at $250, and it all came off, and I was down. I think it was like 110 or something, but it was so cool to see that much money come off because of all the great savings that we were getting. And now I'm fully stocked. My pantry stocked. My kids can eat this weekend and not drive me nuts. We have a lot. And plus we got to have a fun, fire pit last night and all that good stuff because I bought the Oscar Mayer hot dogs from the Weekly Digital and so forth. Anyway, it was a great deal. Anyway, so the question of the day, just to kind of end this video, is what are your weekend plans, since today I'm making this on Saturday? Or if you happen to be watching this by Monday or maybe even Sunday, what were your weekend plans? Let me know in the comments. So our weekend plans are pretty simple. We did have our fire pit last night with some friends. We played some games. And then today is not a big day for me, but my son is going to prom. So we have to get him ready, on top of the fact that he's also on the prom court. And so he's a junior, so he won't be prom king, but he could be prom prince. So I don't know that he'll get that. That'd be a lot. Just the fact that he got nominated is super cool. He goes to a very, very large school. And so I was shocked that he got nominated, something that I know I would never have been on our prom court or any court for that matter. So I was just excited. I think I'm more excited than he is about it. And then, it is what it is. I hope he does well or just enjoys himself tonight. And the best part about him is he doesn't really care if he wins the prom court or not. So I was like, that's good because you won't be disappointed. So anyway, that's our weekend plans. Of course, let me know what your weekend plans are. If you want to know how he did, I will let you know on Monday. So make sure you're subscribed and you come back and watch whatever video I post on Monday. Have a great weekend. I'll see you later. Bye, guys.